Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to read the first poem of your new first year TSBIE new first year textbook. So page number 1, first poem is Happiness poem by Carl Sandburg. This poem we are going to read. This is the first poem of your new textbook. Carl Sandburg is a famous American poet of the 20th century. He is the winner of 3 Pulitzer Prizes, and he is very famous for his biography of Abraham Lincoln. And he struggled a lot in his childhood. He worked as a milk delivery boy, he worked as a barber, and he washed dishes, he painted the houses also. He struggled a lot in his childhood for his livelihood, and afterwards he took up journalism, and he produced quite a few poems. And the present poem is a philosophical one. So one day the poet gets a doubt: what is happiness? How can we define the word happiness? Okay, how can we define the word happiness? So he goes to his professors and executives, and he asks them the question. Okay, he puts the question in front of these people. First of all, he meets his professors because they are highly educated people, they are scholars, okay, and executives, top class executives, they are successful people in their lives, and in their profession also they are wealthy. So these are wealthy people, these are great scholars, and they all shook their heads, they gave a smile as if the poet is trying to fool with them. Okay, this is a silly question, such a silly question. Why you are asking us? So we can't define happiness. There is no definition for happiness. Okay, so they are unable to give the definition for the word happiness because they themselves are not happy. Executives, wealthy people are not happy, and scholars are not happy. Neither the power, nor the money, nor the education gives them happiness. So what is happiness? Still he is in dilemma. So his search goes on. So he is wandering here and there, roaming here and there in the pursuit of happiness. He wants to know the definition for happiness. And one day he came across some Hungarians. Okay, Hungary, people from Hungary, another country, so European country. So they are roaming beside the river Des Plaines. So on the bank of the river Des Plaines, he found Hungarians. So they were having nice time, they were having a very wonderful time, they were enjoying the wonderful time, quality time they are spending with their family, they are dancing with their children, okay, and they are consuming beer, wine, and playing on the accordion. Accordion is a box shaped musical instrument. So they were enjoying the nature. Then Carl Sandburg understood this is real happiness, this is happiness. So happiness lives in wisdom, happiness lives in our lives, and happiness doesn't live in libraries, happiness doesn't live in books. Now he understood what happiness is. Okay friends, in this way, so this is a very philosophical poem. Though the poem is very small, it has very in-depth meaning, very few, okay, very small poem but very sweet poem, in-depth meaning it is. So happiness means, so we should not worry about the past, we should not think about the past, and we should not worry about the future also. We should enjoy the present. So enjoying the present, living the present, okay. So every moment we should enjoy. That is called real happiness, okay. So neither the money nor the power can give us happiness. It depends upon our mindset, it depends upon our mindset. If we are happy, definitely we will be happy. If we are sad, definitely, if we feel sad, definitely we will be very sad only, okay. So early hours in the, after getting up from your sleep, early morning, first of all pray to God, thank him for giving us opportunity, one more opportunity to live on this earth, and we should live to the fullest extent of life. We should enjoy every moment of life. That is the real happiness. Okay friends, I hope that you have understood this poem. This poem is taken from his book Chicago Songs. It is also called Chicago Poems. So it's a collection of poems it has, okay. Right now I hope that this video is very useful to you for this kind of lessons and more updates. Please keep watching my videos. So I request all of you, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.